Hi, welcome to my Oma's YouTube channel. I'm 9. Today we are going to be painting a mermaid tail. So I'm just gonna paint the scales pink and purple and the lines blue. So I have 3 colors, but first I'm gonna paint the scales pink. Oh, and I'm 9. I'm Ella. Just gonna paint it like this, pink, and then blue like purple like this, and then purple like this, and pink like this, and then purple like that, like. I'm done painting all of my pink. So now I'm just gonna do the bottom of the tail, like this. And I'm using blue. And I'm also using a new brush. It's really tricky to get it through here without painting it on the lines. Well, I'll be back when it dries.
Go.
So now I'm gonna paint these scales because I'm done with the pink. Okay, well, I'm done with the purple. Wait, I'm not done with the purple. I need to paint the lines down here still. I'm not gonna paint these lines right now because I'm gonna paint these lines pink and this side purple. Because I think it will look cool like that.
Go.
Sorry about that. I had to clean my brush to finish the blue because I needed this to paint some of this because I can still see the wood. Okay. Be back 1 second. I gotta wash off my brush. Okay, I'm doing the pink now. Okay, so now I gotta do the lines up here with this. And I'm gonna make the lines blue. done, and I'll be back when it dries. Okay, I'm almost done, but I just need to do one more thing. I need to seal my mermaid tail with glue and, well, stuff. Mod Podge, with Mod Podge. So I just gotta put that on. Oops. And I gotta use my paintbrush to paint it all on there. Seal it, yeah. That was a lot. I used way too much. Okay, I'm done now, so just make sure to like and subscribe.
And don't forget about this
Oh yeah, and I also have to tie this on
when it's dry.
when it's dry. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful everything.